Dear students, today we are going to learn our next activity, which is on Tangrams. For that, go to lab portal and click on class 3. You will be able to get our math lab portal. On that, scroll down. You will be looking at the month September 2021, topic Tangrams. So if you click here, it will navigate to your activity port. In this, if you look on the top, you can see that the shapes are scrolling up. So in order to do this, we are going to use these tangram pieces. Listen carefully. The tangram pieces are a collection of 7 shapes, out of which 5 are triangle, 1 is square, and 1 is parallelogram. So let us make the shape. I prefer doing the shape of aeroplane so that you can understand it clearly. For that, drag the tangram pieces and modify it in such a way that you are able to position the tangram, so that you are making a complete shape by making it in this way. So after that, tilt the next triangle also in such a way that you are making the next shape. After this, take this parallelogram and ensure that it is joined here. Position exactly on the shape, dear students. No white markings should be observed in between positioning the tangrams. If you observe any white marks, then that obviously means that there is a dislocation of the tangram piece. Now, taking the square and aligning it here. Next, we will be taking the triangles part and we are aligning it here. The next is the top portion. We are making it tilted by the mouse pointers and we are positioning exact. So yes, thus we obtain the figure which is mentioned here. So in order to realign every tangrams back, there is a button here which we call it as reset button. If you press that reset button, all the tangram pieces will be arranged as back to the normal. Next thing is the full screen option which is available. If you click this full screen, it will be made into the full screen part. After completing this, we are going to do the next part of the tangram pieces. Tangrams doesn't mean that it have only a definite shapes. It also means that the part of arrangements that lead to the creativity of the student. Now listen, the next part, the second part of that tangram arrangements lies in another portal. For that, there is an option called for experiment on the top of the web page, and there is something called virtual IDE. Virtual IDE, click here. So if you click that particular link, you will be navigated to a Mathigon portal. So this Mathigon portal, I have logged in, therefore I am getting 3 things. If you are a user, you will be getting 2 things. One is tiles and other is file. So click on the tiles option. If you click on the tiles option, you will be able to see geometry, numbers, fractions, algebra, probability and data, tools and access. Under that, click on geometry. Click on geometry. And below that, click on Tangram. Click on Tangram. There's a classical tangram and there is a magic egg. Classical tangram is nothing but the same what we have did it in the previous portal. The same thing can be obtained here as well, and you can repeat the same with a free sketch without anything. Okay, without any follow-ups image, you can do it on your own creativity. You can bring out any shape either in this portal or in the portal which we have used already. Now, specifically in this Mathicon, I am going to let you understand the next concept called magic egg. So here there is an option called magic egg. So there are shapes aligned together. So if you click each shape, it will be displayed in the white part. Okay, the white background part. So you have to click on every single shape to get it replicated over there. So I am clicking all the shapes and I have obtained it. So if you click on each shape, there will be a dark black color outline by which if you click on that and drag, it will move. Then after that, you can see all the pieces scattered, right? So I am making it intentionally to make the students understand. Okay, so now arrange it with the alignment of the shape here. So drag it, drop it. Then you have to make use of the triangle part. Yes. So if you want to rotate, there is an after you click on that particular image, there will be a round color structure over there. So if you click it and rotate it, it will get rotated. See, it's getting rotated. Yes. So I am aligning it in such a way that it is on rotation. Okay. Yes. So place it as such. So here I am leaving the white color, space, which will show us you are aligning it correctly. Yes, thus we obtain the magic egg. So to maximize the size of the image, there is zoom in and zoom out. So you can zoom in the egg size and click on this move pan canvas by which you can drag it. See, the egg size is bigger now. So the egg size is bigger on screen. So there is an also option called as download image, which was pointed in the screen. So you can click that, the image will get downloaded in your computer. Okay. I hope you understood and enjoy the learning process of Tangram arrangements. To understand better, kindly rewatch it again to make a clear understanding. Thank you, students.